Welcome to the candy land, ah-ee-eh. So much fun and oh so grand. Let's count sweets one by one. Candy counting's full of fun. Ding, 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 ding. Candy shining in the sun. Red and round, it's number one. Clap your hands and jump with glee. Counting candy's fun for me. Ding, 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 ding. Green gummy, soft and sweet, dancing down the candy street. Spin around and touch your toes till candy strike us silly pairs. Ding, 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 ding. Three chocolates, smooth and round, rolling, tumbling on the ground. Count them now, 1, 2, 3. Chocolate fun for you and me. Ding, 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 ding. 4 lollipops, colors bright, pink and purple, what a sight. Wave your hands and spin once more. Let's all cheer for number 4. 5 jelly beans, red, blue, green, a sweetest ones you've ever seen. Hop 5 times and shout hooray! Candy counting saves the day. Candies here and candies there, sugar magic everywhere. Count them high, count them low, watch those candy numbers grow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so sweet.